Flower wiring techniques. Basic wiring techniques: straight wire insertion, hook, piercing, wrap, or clutch. Straight wire insertion. Step 1. Hold wire about 1 inch from top. Step 2. Insert the wire point into the bottom of the flower's calyx. Step 3. Gently wrap the wire around the stem, carefully placing the wire between the leaves. Hook method. Step 1. Cut the stem 1 1/2 inch below the calyx. Step 2. Push the wire up the stem, through the calyx, and out the top of the flower. Step 3. Bend the top of the wire into a hook. Step 4. Pull the wire downward so that the hook disappears into the flower head. Piercing method. Step 1. Remove the stem about 1 inch below the calyx, if used for corsage or boutonniere. Step 2. Insert wire through the calyx at the midpoint between the calyx and the petals. Step 3. Bend both wire ends down. Step 4. For larger flowers, insert a second wire at a right angle to the first, crisscrossing the wires. Wrap or clutch method. Step 1. Gather short stem plant materials together. Step 2. Line up stems at the wire's midpoint. Step 3. Wind the top portion of the wire several times around the stems, then fold end of wire down.